Most Notion users just tick boxes and organize tasks, but the real productivity comes from actually doing the task. And the real goal is always to improve the quality of your thinking. And when you improve the quality of your thinking, you improve your decision making, your business, your ideas, your content, and actually everything you want to do in life gets better. And this does not happen through project management system, because Notion is exactly a project management system, ideally for teams, businesses, and bigger structures. I can explain this one with a personal example. So I used Notion every single day for 2 years after I sold my startup to actually my business partner, which is not too interesting. And I tried to be productive. Every single day I was like, yeah, I need to be more productive, build better ticking boxes or whatever. But the problem was I didn't really achieve any real goals. I didn't improve my business. I didn't got more views on YouTube or on Threads. And I also didn't improve my mental health. I also didn't improve my relationships. And I also didn't improve as an entrepreneur. I just realized just like nothing was moving forward. I was just stagnated. And that actually changed when I stopped using Notion and started building a second brain. I started with Cortex, an app created by Dan Co. And now I transitioned to Obsidian. When I started using Cortex, that's where I actually have seen real results and progress. I solved most of my mental problems after my dad passed away, which was 2 years ago. My relationships improved in just a few months. I created much better content and gained significantly more views. For example, on Threads, I reached over 24,000 followers and gained over 3,400 email subscribers from that. And all of this happened after I started writing in a second brain. So in short, what I want to give you in this video as a solution, or a conclusion better said, is Notion is not a bad tool. Like I still use it because it's a great business and project management tool. But it's only that. It is a good business and project management tool. But it is not a second brain. It is not good for thinking and structured writing. Or if you start with it, you pretty fast hit a wall. But for example, a real second brain like Obsidian improves how you think and how you write and how you actually articulate yourself. Overall, a second brain is your personal thinking system. And this should be differentiated between your project management and your thinking system. You don't want to connect both of them. They should be separated. Notion is there to manage your business, to manage tasks and projects, like let's say a YouTube video. And a second brain, like Obsidian, for example, is there to improve your writing, your thinking, your articulation, and to build and develop your own mental universe. It is your own little world you are creating. And this is the main purpose and the main goal of a second brain, to build your own little Marvel universe, as Stan Lee did. If you want to understand my writing system in Obsidian, click this video next.